Choosing the best window treatments can transform a space, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Here are 5 proven strategies to guide this important decision. First, consider the purpose of the room. Different spaces require different treatments. For instance, bedrooms benefit from blackout curtains to ensure privacy and darkness, while living rooms may thrive with sheer drapes that allow natural light while maintaining a level of privacy. Understanding the function of each room helps narrow down options. Next, assess the style of the home. Window treatments should complement the overall decor. A modern home might favor sleek roller shades or minimalist blinds, while a traditional space may call for elegant drapery or wooden shutters. Identifying the existing style will ensure that the chosen treatments enhance the home's aesthetic rather than clash with it. The third strategy involves measuring the windows accurately. Precise measurements are crucial for a perfect fit. Measure the width and height of the window frame, and consider whether the treatment will hang inside or outside the frame. This step prevents costly mistakes and ensures the treatments look polished and professional. Fourth, consider the material of the window treatments. Different materials offer varying levels of light control, insulation, and durability. For example, heavy fabrics provide excellent insulation and light blocking, while lighter materials can create an airy feel. Additionally, consider maintenance. Some materials require more care than others. Choosing the right material can enhance comfort and longevity. Finally, budget plays a significant role in the selection process. Window treatments come in a wide range of prices, from affordable options to high-end custom designs. Establishing a budget upfront helps narrow down choices and prevents overspending. Remember to factor in installation costs if hiring a professional. As a bonus tip, explore layering options. Combining different treatments, such as sheer curtains with blackout shades, can offer versatility and light control and privacy. Layering not only enhances functionality, but also adds depth and texture to the room, creating a more inviting atmosphere. By following these 5 strategies, understanding the room's purpose, matching the home's style, measuring accurately, selecting the right material, and setting a budget, along with the bonus tip of layering, finding the perfect window treatments becomes a manageable and rewarding task. Transforming a space with the right window treatments can elevate its overall appeal and functionality. So there you have it, 5 proven strategies for choosing the best window treatments for your home. Remember, it's all about functionality, material, color, layering, and customization. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite window treatment tips? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and as always, design fearlessly. Bye for now.